Anakin Skywalker was a young boy on the planet Tatooine. He lived with his mother, Shmi, in a small house made of sand. Anakin loved to watch the stars at night. One night, as Anakin lay in bed, he looked up at the stars and made a wish. "I wish I could fly among the stars," he said. The next day, Anakin went to the market with his mother. There, he met a strange man named Qui-Gon Jinn. Qui-Gon was a Jedi Knight, and he sensed that Anakin had a special gift. "Anakin, you have a strong connection with the Force," Qui-Gon said. "Would you like to become a Jedi and learn how to fly?" Anakin was excited by the offer. He wanted to be a Jedi and learn to fly. He agreed to train with Qui-Gon, and they set off on a journey to the Jedi Temple on Coruscant. On Coruscant, Anakin learned about the ways of the Jedi. He learned to use the Force to lift objects and to fight with a lightsaber. Anakin was a quick learner, and he loved every minute of his training. One day, Qui-Gon took Anakin to a room with a special chair. "Anakin, this is the Sim Pod," Qui-Gon said. "It will allow you to fly among the stars." Anakin was thrilled. He climbed into the chair and closed his eyes. Suddenly, he felt a strange sensation. He was floating. He was flying among the stars. Anakin soared through the galaxy, looking down at the planets below. He saw the twinkling lights of cities, the swirling clouds of gas, and the dark, endless void of space. He felt free and happy. Finally, Anakin returned to the Jedi Temple. He was tired but happy. He had fulfilled his dream of flying among the stars. "Anakin, you have a bright future ahead of you," Qui-Gon said. "Remember, the Force will always be with you." Anakin went back to Tatooine, where he continued to learn and grow as a Jedi. He never forgot his wish to fly among the stars, and he always remembered the wise words of Qui-Gon. The end.